How to use Base44 for beginners. Go to base44.co and sign up with your email or Google account. Once logged in, head to your dashboard. This is where you create your first digital product or store. Click Create New Product, add a title, description, price, and upload your files. It's either PDF, zip, MP4, or etc. You can also add cover images and set download limits or license terms. Once it's live, Base44 gives you a direct checkout link you can share on social media, email, or your own website. You'll get paid directly with no hidden fees. In your dashboard, monitor sales, custom downloads, and adjust pricing or product info anytime. Super beginner friendly. And that's it.